that's a rework. I was going to mention this. That's a reworking of the ball poem towards the end,
Yeah,
where you go, I
I'm
am
not a
not a
little
little
boy.
boy.
And
Um,
there's
it's
also, if you
a
look, there's
wonderful evocation because you get Kubla saying also the rock still fits in my hand, where he's throwing rocks and killing countless people with them, but he's also holding the rocks. It's sort of like a evocation of that same idea in the Berryman poem.
but there's also a use of the poem. I don't know if you, the poem Hollow Man by T.S. Eliot
Yes,
in prose
yes,
form, and that comes right before we get the three great Khans, Genghis, Ogedai, and Kubla. We get Kubla has one of these moments, just like in an earlier play, Danny has one of these moments where he sort of, it's almost like if you were a psychic have an automatic reading. Kubla Khan is just quoting from the Hollow Man, which makes absolutely no sense since that was written 650 years later or whatever it was. Uh, um,
it's you use the same idea that Woody Allen did in Love and Death, but you put it in a different context. Very interesting.
yeah, and so you get, and here's another good example of the usage of poem. Look at the three different. I use a poem, a great poem by Rexworth as the epigraph, which comes back to the end and goes back and really refers to the scene with the killing of the crow. We get the Hollow Man automatic reading here that just comes out of nowhere from Kubla Khan, and then we also have probably the least obvious to a poet is the evocation of the end of the ball poem by Berryman. And again, this is only a great poet could do this. Could know these sources and know how they could fit together and execute it that well.